We're so excited to introduce these all-new pre-cut kits. Designed in Australia by Jennifer Moore from Aster and Anne, they come with all the pieces you need to create your own purses, totes, book covers, cushion covers, backpacks, or card holders in 11 different project options. Each kit includes all the pieces already pre-cut from 100% polyester felt, as well as leather and antique brass hardware, zippers, and eyelets. Pins, needles, and detailed instructions are also included for your own convenience. The best part of these kits is that they're incredibly easy to put together, making them perfect for beginners, young sewers, or those who want a project they can quickly and easily complete. A quick assembly leaves more time for the best part, embellishing. All Aster and Anne kits come blank and do not include embellishments, leaving them open to be designed however you like. So whether you want to decorate yours with hexes, wool applique, crochet, sashiko, ribbons, or hand embroidery, the possibilities are only limited to your imagination. For the convenience of a full, ready-to-sew package, consider pairing your kits with some add-on products. These pre-cut wool kits available from Sue Spargo and Wendy Williams come with all the pieces for a cute pattern or circles in different sizes, with the convenience of already being cut out. All you need to do is applique them to your bag and you're done. Aster and Anne kits do not include thread. If you plan on doing hand embroidery or embellishments, we highly recommend Eleganza Pearl Cotton. Available in number 3, 5, and 8 sizes, you can choose from over 200 colors for that perfect match. The thread has a lovely tight twist and ultra-low lint finish, making it easy to pull through all types of fabrics and fibers. This is a great way to add a pop of texture and color to your kit. All kits should be assembled by machine. While you can use any regular sewing thread you have lying around, you should also consider a stronger thread that will ensure the longevity of your kit. We recommend this enhanced polyester thread called Home Deck. Available in 30, 40, and 60 weight, it's super strong and is perfect for sewing bags, wallets, backpacks, or anything that needs to endure more use or heavier loads. With 11 kits to choose from, your next project can be finished in just an hour. Check out our locations page at www.wonderfil.ca/locations to find your local retailer carrying Aster and Anne pre-cut kits, among other Wonderfil products. Or check out the description box for a link. Tell us in the comments section which kit was your favorite, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to hear about our latest products, thread tips, and tutorials. We'll see you again next time!